Good morning, Westcon. I'm student meteorologist Matthew DiLoretto. Thanks for tuning into your latest episode of Meteorology with Matt. See lots of blue sky out there as of 11 a.m. in Danbury with just a few clouds dotting the area, and that will remain the theme for the rest of the day. Those current conditions in the Danbury area are 56 degrees, the pretty dry dew point of 36 degrees. Drier air is moving in on the heels of a weak cold front with that northwest wind at 13 miles per hour. Tonight we will have increasing clouds, especially into the day tomorrow as a weak system passes by, and the first frost will affect most of us, especially Wednesday night as we see clearing and calm conditions. And there's a potential coastal storm that we will be watching for the end of the week. I'll have more on that in just a couple of minutes. Surface analysis shows that low pressure system way up in Canada with that weak cold front that's just pushed offshore, bringing in that cooler and drier air mass, especially with the aid of this high pressure that's trying to move east. And the satellite actually shows this weak cold front nicely. We see this thin band of clouds that's just pushed offshore in association with it, and it is bringing in that cooler and drier air mass. We see the west-northwest flow really well across those Great Lakes with that cooler air moving over those warmer waters, but a lot of these clouds will probably dissipate before they reach Danbury. However, if we look off to the west, we see much thicker cloud cover in association with a weak disturbance. That's going to continue to push east and bring us those increasing clouds tonight into tomorrow. For the first day in November, though, we're looking pretty good. We'll have highs in the upper 50s. It will remain breezy and partly cloudy with those northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight we're looking okay. It'll be chilly with lows in the upper 30s, and we will have those increasing clouds. Winds will become light out of the west, and at sunset at 5:48 p.m., well, enjoy that because next week at this time, it will be before 5 o'clock due to daylight savings. Extended forecast, we're looking pretty chilly for the most part. Tomorrow we'll have highs in the lower 50s with a lot of cloud cover. Very slight chance of a shower in the afternoon, though I think most of us should remain dry. Wednesday will clear out nicely with highs in the lower 50s. Though look at that nighttime temperature Wednesday. We'll have lows below the freezing mark, so I think a lot of us are going to see our first frost of the season. Thursday into Friday, we are watching this coastal low as some of the models disagree on what will happen. The European has these two pieces of energy phasing together, bringing us a period of heavy rain and wind Thursday night into Friday. The GFS model, on the other hand, well, it has those two pieces of energy staying separate, so we'd most likely see increasing clouds with just a glancing blow from that storm, maybe a chance of a shower Thursday night as it misses to our south and east. Will remain very chilly during this time period with highs in the upper 40s to around 50. And then Saturday we'll probably see some clearing regardless. It'll be once again in the lower 50s. But we will keep you updated as the week goes on the evolution of this weekend storm. I'm student meteorologist Matthew DiLoretto. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to follow us on social media. Have a great afternoon.